Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be putting together the daily grind planner and flipping through it. Okay, so let's start with these lovely highlighters. And they are kind of to probably match the planner. I'm not sure. Like I said, I saw this planner and I was like, I want to try this and go from there. I did pick the green goddess. So there are several options to pick from. This was a bundle. So it comes with the puff stickers. It comes with these covers. They're wood chips with metal corners, discs, and 4 months of daily planning. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm gonna put the discs. The discs are gold plastic. Ready, Set, Glow. So this is a very, very lovely cover. I really like it. It does say, remember, you are a golden goddess. You are glamorous and confident. Your true self is very driven and ambitious. You are your best when you are living life as large as possible. Never apologize for who you are and what you value. So that's what it is. On the back it says the life of my dreams loading, and of course daily grind. So these are the dividers that also come in this. It comes with these stickers that you can put by quarter or by month and different things. So it's pretty cool. I thought that this was a nice cover and that's why I picked it, especially with the champagne, you guys, because that's what I drink. I'm a champagne girl. So first and foremost, we're gonna do the 4 months of daily grind sheet. So this is what it looks like. It's low. It looks very doodly, which makes me so happy because it's kind of fun. Oh, the highlighters go for the daily goals. Okay, I see. And it has all of these doodles. Look how cute it is. So it's like a week in review, and you can color these. You can probably add stickers to these if you wanted to. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet with this for now. I'm just putting it in, and we will kind of go through this together. So just let me put all of this in. I'm doing little chunk by little chunk because I don't want to damage any pages, but it's going pretty fast. And these discs, like I said, are plastic. You get one extra one in case something happens. So I have stored this away just in case. And I tried to do this big chunk to see how it will go. Not great, so I divided that. Okay, I also got some regular dot grid paper from them that I'm gonna place in here. This planner is not gonna be going to work with me or anywhere like that. It's gonna stay home, so it can be a little chunky, and my regular one is chunky too, so no big deal. But yeah, like I said, the cover is gorgeous. The Ready, Set, Glow is embossed, and so is the back. So it's kind of fun to touch even the cover. So yeah, look at that. Chunky monkey. Okay, I'm gonna do a test of these highlighters for you guys. So I'm gonna actually do it on a grind paper so we can see what it looks like. So it looks like you get a cool tone and a warm tone, maybe? I'm not sure. Look at that, because that one is like blue and that one is pink. Is that what it is? I'm not sure. They also had pens. I do not need any more pens. I did get the highlighters because I wanted to see how that would work. Plus these are kind of cool and square and different. So let's go ahead and pull them out and test them on this page and go from there. Okay. I'm trying to organize them. I don't know how that's gonna work. Anyway, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. And let's get this going. So I'm gonna start with the super light one first, but let me put what I'm doing so I know what it is. The daily grind. So I know that these are from the actual daily grind. And I do have my list notebook where I test all of these out, so I'm going to be adding those in there as well. So you get these are two sides. There's a highlighter, look at that. They're very, very light. So that's kind of cool that they're so light, because that means that you can still write on them and it shouldn't be a big deal. And I think these chiseled tip highlighter part is probably the width of the daily page in those boxes, so we shall see. But yeah, so first one is kind of nude. This one's pinkish. I just want to see what they look like so you guys can see on camera how light they are, and I want to see as well, so when I'm doing it I know what I'm doing, right? So we have that. Okay, the first one is barely visible, you guys, but so pretty. All of them are. I love light colors like this. This is supposed to be purple. And look, they get darker after like a second. Not much, but just slightly. Okay, and then this is supposed to be blue. So these are light. And I want to see what the second set is like. So that's going to be very interesting to see. So I have blue. That blue really does show up blue, which is great. We're almost like a periwinkle. And then this is supposed to be green, so let's see that. Okay, I'm not doing these evenly. Not a very good pen testers, you guys. But in case you are curious, I wanted to show you. Okay, so this one is going to be like that. So again, very nude, even probably more nude than the first one. So this is the second set of pens, that's why I separated them. This one leaked a little, do you see that? Like at the tip. But it's okay. So this one is pink, it's like nude pink. The other one was nude beige. This one is supposed to be like brown. Yeah, it's definitely more saturated than the others. Okay, nice. And then a purple, or maybe periwinkle. No, definitely purple. Look at that. Look at the difference. Yeah, very visible. So we have two more to go, and I'll show you guys flip through the planner and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's do the blue one. Definitely more blue. The other one is definitely more periwinkle to me. What about you guys? Let me know what you think of these highlighters, because like I said, they are so delicate. I really, really like them. And this is supposed to be the green. So this one's much lighter than the other one. So maybe I mixed up, but I don't know. So we shall see. But yeah, these are the colors. So not too bad. And then let's go back to the planner and see what this is all about, because I am curious. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is so hard to turn those pages. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm gonna go and get a dryer sheet after I film this video and rub all of my discs, because it makes it a lot better. So daily grind planner kind of explains the concept. So then you rate your career, life, overall health and fitness, family life, friendships, and so on. 4 months of goals, and then you plan out your 4 months, and then you have a monthly goal. So you can do up to 10 goals a month in here. Then you have the week ahead, so you can plan on weekly. And these are your daily pages. So you have 10 goals that you're working on, so you can work daily. And then you have to feel, amazing I will, top 3, movers today, the game plan. Very, very cool. Don't forget, and grateful and excited for. So yeah, and then you do have a review of the week. So all of them are kind of the same. It is pretty awesome to look at this. But that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you all enjoy this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!